when I visited in Canada, I never hungry. So if I very hungry, I could enjoy more at the Five Guys. I wanted to enjoy the Five Guys more and more. Burger is no $10, but it's also huge. The big size. 近いなお兄ちゃん。600円 for fries. 確かに$10. So you order 2 burger and 1 fry? あ、違うか。1 burger, 1 French fry plus deliver cost. It's expensive. お兄ちゃん近い。Fried fish, okay, we fry on one shrimp. わー、ポップコーンシュリンプみたいな。いい、英語ね。What taste today? I don't know. Oh, Steve, hello. Hello. How are you, Steve? It was 2 patties. Right. I don't remember. The Five Guys French fries too strong memory. One burger. Steve. I'm trying to go to ocean. ちょっと待って。Let me check where am I now? Still I'm heading to how much they charge? 確かに exactly how much? $10? Expensive. Steve, do you like spicy ramen? We found なんか skull face trademark spicy ramen shop, ramen restaurant, but they're closed. They closed. The Tenryu ramen, they are popular. They're popular tantan men, but also they're popular for spicy. Also that sheesh. No more spicy? Really? Pan American, hello. Oh. You need a beer with it. でもさ、the soda or water with spicy food spread in your mouth the spice. I really want to eat the spicy ramen, but also I don't want to distract stream. Nani? 何かと言われたら分からんけど、気候な、なんだあれ、 The place for fun place? なんだあの Can you see the signs? I know that 一番下の the bottom one is food. The next one is swim. What is third one? Yoga. Gymnastic. The bowling. なんで why I'm always say bowling なんだろう。ボーリング、golf, something, swim and food. More fun bowling. そうね。Will you? Bowling. It works. It really works for me. The milk. Bowling. So you can see it later. Okay. なんだと思う It's a food, swimming, something, golf, and bowling. でもすごいNever mind. It's clothes? Abandoned? どういう集まりどういうパーティーどういうレイブパーティーおじいちゃんレイブパーティーI wanna go that way. Train tracks bother me. Tai chi or some other materials maybe. これどういうカンフー楽しいセンターかもしれないでもどう見てもアバンダンなんだけどね It looks like very abundant 湘南新宿ラインもう一回
オポカリプソ341チアード X56 おなら猫ちゃん館長
おなら猫ちゃん館長アポカリプセって言ってたよおなら猫ちゃん館長ははははハイデンシークセンターあ、サビルヘイ館長 You wanna listen again? Okay
オポカリプソ341チアード X56 おなら猫ちゃん館長
Hello, so bison kancho, neko. Yeah, don't do that. Cream corn. Kick flip. Neko-chan kancho, そういう前じゃないです。グルkancho だけど。女子ください。女子いないね。Even now I can see some people, but no ladies. Only kids and something. Yeah, you were right. 猫ちゃん館長館長の漢字は It is the なんかサーオブシップ。野良猫ちゃん館長。そう家です。猫ちゃん館長。にゃーにゃー猫ちゃん館長です。何あれ OSC なんかあれなんかタキシなんだろうあれなんか面白いものが出てきたぞ。It looks like a fun place. 遊び回れ。あ、ポーラーベアデンティスト。It's cute. I wanna go here. ポーラーベアデンティスト。That cute. It's cute. Wait, Snow Town? We can see snow? ちょっと待って、Let's go. どういうこと？ It's Snow Town. For family, you can play with kids. はあ。Yeah, you're right. Doing にゃーかわいいでしょ、ポーラーベアデンティスト。なんだろう、本当に気候なプレイス。キャンキャンキャンキャンキャン。やばい。